Before we get started, let me say this video is being sponsored by Chefavor. They sent me their 7-in-1 smokeless indoor grill with air fryer combo. When I seen this grill, I knew I had to have it. Let's talk about some of the features. It has 7 different cooking functions, including grill, barbecue griddle, air crisp, roast, bake, and dehydrate. What I like about this product is you can cook with the lid either open or closed. This allows for various dishes such as steaks that you cook with the lid open, or roasting or baking chicken with the lid closed. This grill also comes with a smart thermometer, which I love because cooking steaks at the right temperature is a necessity for me. With its extra large size, meaning you have plenty of space for your food, along with the functional accessories making it easier to cook for your entire family. This smokeless grill allows you to enjoy a grill flavor without the limitation of space. I will leave the link to this product in the video description below. Go check it out, but after you watch this video, let's get to cooking. Listen, I ain't had no chops in a long time, and you seen that thumbnail, you seen that title, you already know what we doing. We finna put them chopped in the air fryer, but we gonna make them sweet and spicy. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do our quick roll call. Right here, we have some bone-in pork chops. Now, you don't have to use bone-in. You can use whatever type pork chop, but look at it. We got those babies thick for this one here. This is about, that may be an inch, inch and a half thick right there, maybe a little bit more. I don't know. I told the butcher, hey, give me like an inch or 2. That's what he cut, size I wanted. Right here, we have some hot sauce. We have some butter, honey, some brown sugar. We have some adobo honey seasoning here, some more adobo honey seasoning here, some peach juice, some onion powder, garlic powder, W sauce, more brown sugar, and some white vinegar. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start out by making our marinade for our pork chops. We're gonna add our hot sauce here. And this is real quick, not gonna take that long. Our W sauce, that white vinegar, our brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder. Quick mix. Voila, that easy, that simple. Now we're gonna bring over our pork chops. We're gonna take our marinade, we're just gonna pour it over it just like this. Make sure we get those chops submerged in there. Now guys, you can use about 4 pork chops with this particular marinade if you got 4 pork chops. All right guys, so we're gonna sit this in our refrigerator for about 2 to 4 hours until we're ready to start cooking them. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so now we're gonna prepare our sauce. Let's get this cooktop on. We're gonna add or melt a half a stick of butter. As that comes to a melt, we're gonna add our honey, our brown sugar, our peach juice, and some of our adobo honey seasoning. And we're gonna get that mixed in. And guys, we got this over a medium heat. And we're gonna let that simmer for a couple of minutes. Let that sauce thicken up. Reduce your heat if you have to. All right, so it looks like we're there. We're gonna turn our heat off. Man, that's a nice, sweet and spicy glaze right there. Now we're just gonna add it to I'm gonna add it to a measuring cup here. And I'm gonna sit it aside until our pork chops are done, all right? All right, guys, we have our pork chops here. I've removed them from the refrigerator. They've been sitting here coming down to room temperature. But before we go ahead and put them in our air fryer, we're gonna take some of that adobo honey seasoning and we're gonna add it to our chops like this. All right, so let's go ahead and move over to our air fryer so we can start the cooking process. All right, guys, so we're at our air fryer, and today we're gonna use Chefavor Smart Grill with air fryer combo. So this is really a smart grill, but it has an air fryer feature, and we're gonna use the air fryer feature for this particular recipe. To get started, we're just gonna close the lid, because you know with all air fryers, you gotta preheat it. We're gonna turn it on here. We're gonna select this air fryer feature over here. Right here is already at 400 degrees. I'm gonna adjust the temperature down to 375 for our particular recipe. I already got it on 20 minutes, so we're just gonna hit play right here. And right here is saying that it's preheating. Now, once all these lines stop moving, That's how you know it's ready, all right? So we're just gonna let that baby just sit here and preheat on 375, then we're gonna come right back. And guys, as you can see right now, it's done preheating. It's gonna ask you to add the food. We're gonna lift up our top, and now we're gonna add our chops here. Man, these babies looking good. All right, I think I got them sitting on there right about now. We're gonna close this up. And as you can see, we're on 20 minutes on 375. All right, guys, we're about 10 minutes in. We're gonna pause it. We're gonna lift our veil, and we're gonna flip these babies over. Man, look at that. On the other side. And we're gonna let these babies cook for an additional 8 to 10 minutes on this side. All right, guys, it's saying get food. So let's go ahead and open our hood. And man, look at those chops right there. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go ahead and get them over on our cutting board so we can get them to our final presentation. There you have it, guys. Air fried, sweet, and spicy pork chops. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump over to quality control so we can give them babies a taste test. All right, let's go. We back in here, quality control time. Let me step up to the mic. Y'all saw me cutting that baby already, man. I'm gonna have this, put this thing or swivel around in a little of that juice, that little sweet and spicy sauce. Let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, honestly, guys, I had no doubt that this was gonna be delicious. And it's tender. Oh man. So guys, remember this video is being sponsored by Chefavor or Chefavor, depending on what side of the world you on. So check out their smart grill with air fry combo. I really like this product, man. I love the design. I like the heating element on the top that really focuses on cooking that food. So I'm gonna leave a link and everything in the video description below. So check it out, go over there, get you one. You're gonna love it. Thank me later. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and I gotta get back to these choppy chops. And I am out. Oh, I forgot, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.